Hello people, welcome to the audio lesson by the Parallel Universe. Today we are going to talk about how gratitude can change your life. The universe loves gratitude. So for this month, make a commitment to give thanks each day. Every day look for things to be grateful for. Make thank you your catchphrase. As you walk from one place to another, say thank you and make your last thought at night be one of giving thanks for the day. Be grateful under all circumstances, no matter what is happening around you. Just 30 days of saturating yourself with gratitude will change your life beyond your comprehension. When you radiate and live gratitude, you press the on switch to the universe and it will deliver all good things to you. Matching the intensity of your gratitude. Bring it on, universe. Thank you, and thank you.